Well, I found out the Grom headlight's not that strong, so for nighttime riding, I went with these $9 Kewig lights. We're going to throw them on there. And from videos I've seen, they look pretty impressive. They're 6,000 lumens. For 90 bucks, I figured I'd give them a shot. So we'll put these on, do a quick install. What's true in these lights is they're amber and clear. They call their amber their low beam and the clear the high beam. And I've seen videos where there's a cutoff. So there's a right and a left, or there's an up and a down, apparently, these lights, because the amber has a very sharp cutoff. All right, so first problem is they give you these mounts, and they give you a couple of different rings for different sizes, but they're not big enough to go on the Grom fork. So I'm gonna have to see if I can find another mount to get started, to get me off the fork, that I can still use these lights. I probably won't use this at all, but that's so I had to get these from Amazon. These are motorcycle fork light mounts, and it's cool because you can change them. They fit, I think, from 1.5 to 2 1/4. So they'll fit on the Grom forks. So that's how I'm going to get the lights on. I'm not going to use the mounts that came with the kit. Looking at this light, I know there's a cutoff, and if you could see, it's kind of flat at this top. So where this button is, I think, is the bottom, and these are going to mount sideways. So the mounts are going to have to go in here, and they give you a little bit of, I think this is their Chinese version of Loctite. So I'm going to put these mounts on. But they look pretty cool. I did not want them sticking way out to the side, so I aimed the brackets forward. If you want them sticking out to the side, you can just spin this bracket, have it shooting out this way, and you could have them like that if you wanted. But these things are ridiculously bright. It's going to be critical to aim them, and that's what I'm going to do right now. So they give you plenty of wire, so this is all going to have to get tied up, but the Grom has plenty of space down here where I'm going to be able to stick the module and the wire. But I'll show you. I can just temporarily connect this here to the hot to show you how they work. And here's the switch. You're going to get a wire for the switch, and I ran it down here. I ran it back in here. They give you a couple little different kind of metal brackets. I think one can go like over your throttle. They give you another one here that has a bigger hole in it, and your switch gets mounted to this. This worked for me. I had to bend it so it raised it up a little bit. But this is on, and it comes on in the low beam, which is yellow. If you hit it again, it goes to the high beam. And if you double click it, it goes into a flashy mode where it's going to go like that. Now if you keep clicking while it's in this mode, it'll do different modes of flash. I think there's 3 different modes. Yeah, this is the one that'll have people driving off the road. But so it'll just stay in those modes until you double click it again, and then it goes back to whatever you had it in. So you got your high beam and your low beam. So I'm going to aim these now, and as you can see how it's flat on top with the yellow, with the amber, that you have to make sure that you put these lights on the right way, because there is a top and a bottom, and I'll turn them off and show you. The way that I thought was right was correct. It's kind of hard to tell, but if you look, the top here is almost, it's not flat, but it's not round. That's the top. Another way to know is if you look in the bottom, there's this little screw thing here, this button, that's only on the bottom. It's not anywhere else on it. So you put that little tab there at the bottom, you're good to go. Okay, this is the Grom stock headlight on low beam. And that is the high beam on the stock Grom headlight. This is the Kewig lights low beam, the amber. And this is the Kewig lights
Big difference. You can't even tell what's going on with the Grom stock headlight. Stock Grom headlight, low beam. Stock Grom headlight, high beam. Kewig lights on low beam, amber. Kewig lights on high beam, clear. Wow. Way far brighter than the stock Grom.